Thanks for choosing a smart tourism website to power your marketing strategy. As you already know, there are a number of design options from which you can choose. The first decision that you need to make is regarding the header. Would you like to use a background image like the ones that you see changing? Or would you prefer to use a pattern color coordinated to your brand? If you decide to select a background image, then simply hover over the image that you would like to use and make note of the image name. In this case, it's seashells or grass, sand, etc. You also have the option of providing us a custom background image, provided you have selected the add-on customization service. To do so, email this to smart@untanglemyweb.com as indicated in the form below. The next background header option that you have to choose from is the pattern images. As you can see here, there are a range of various pattern images to choose from. Once you've set it on the correct pattern or texture, you can then change the color of this to align with your branding. You can either select from predefined colors below, or open up the color picker and choose a color which works for your brand. Once you have decided on a particular color, simply double click on the hex number value below, copy that and paste that in the appropriate fields in the form below. If you decide to use a predefined color, like the background images above, simply hover your mouse over the color that you would like to select and note down the hex value on the tooltip. Before we move on to the font options, you'll also note that when you change the color and the pattern, the footer also changes. Also, when you change the color, as we'll do now, you can see the button color changes as well. So please be mindful when you're selecting your texture and your color, the impacts throughout the design, from the header right through to the footer and the buttons. If selecting color schemes is too much for you, then once again our design add-on service will take care of all of the color selection and pattern selection for you. Another option is that you can select one of many different heading fonts, and you'll notice that this will change all the heading fonts on all of the pages. So have a play around with the fonts and see which one works best for you. You can also change the body font by changing different selectors. Once you've settled on the right font, then simply note that down in the form below. And lastly, you can also set the color of the font just like you can set the color of the background. So let's say that we're going to select more of a red color, and you'll see that the headings have now changed to red. The same applies with the body font color. But please be mindful that changing the font colors can have a dramatic impact, either positively or negatively, on the readability and conversion rate optimization of your site. So do so with care, and we only recommend playing around with these if you've got good graphic design capabilities. If you need any help tuning the theme, please give us a call and we'll help recommend the best settings and colors for you.